Welcome to Session 6, Sign Change, Distance, and Tolerance. Signed arithmetic becomes useful when it describes movement, temperature, elevation, money, or measurement error. The central task is to distinguish net change, which keeps direction, from distance or error, which uses absolute difference and cannot be negative. Change is final minus initial. A temperature starts at -6 degrees and ends at +3 degrees. Write 3 minus -6. Subtraction of a negative becomes addition of the opposite, so 3 plus 6 equals 9. The positive result agrees with the wording. The temperature rose 9 degrees. Find the distance between -3 and +5. Subtract the positions and take absolute value, the absolute value of 5 minus -3. This is the absolute value of 8, which equals 8. Reversing the subtraction would give -8 inside the bars, but the final distance would still be 8. A part should measure 12.00 millimeters but measures 11.94 millimeters. Measured minus target is -0.06, showing the part is low. Absolute error removes direction and reports the distance from target, 0.06 millimeters. To decide acceptance, compare that error with the stated tolerance. Suppose you move 6 units right and then 6 units left. You finish where you started, so net change is 0, but you traveled 12 units in total. Direction can cancel in net change, while each traveled length contributes positively to total distance. Read the requested quantity before choosing an operation. For like sign changes, add magnitudes and keep the shared direction. -4 plus -7 is -11. For unlike signs, subtract magnitudes and keep the direction of the larger magnitude. 9 plus -12 is -3. For subtraction, add the opposite. 5 minus -2 equals 7. Checkpoint. What is the distance between -4 and +7? Use absolute difference. The absolute value of 7 minus -4 is the absolute value of 11, or 11. A negative answer cannot represent distance. For sign situations, label initial and final values first. Use final minus initial for change, absolute difference for distance, and measured versus target for error. Then check the sign and unit against the wording. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.